Atkins Civil 3D video series, Demolition 2, Existing Topo, Post-Demolition. This video illustrates A. Modify existing topo drawing, B. Delete existing road facilities that will be removed, and C. Delete existing trees that will be removed. On projects where a demolition drawing is prepared, the existing topo drawing is modified to show the existing facilities that remain after the demolition work is completed. This is done in order to reduce the clutter on the construction drawings for the road, drainage, water, and sewer improvements. The existing topo drawing is currently opened. It is good practice to make a copy of the existing topo drawing prior to making any modifications thereto. S.A. Save As. Add ORIG to the current name and save. Since the existing topo drawing is XREF'd into the project base drawing, which in turn is XREF into the various improvement drawings, all modifications are made on the existing topo drawing, not on the copy. OP, select Open from the drop list. Select the existing topo drawing and open. The road concrete improvements are XREF'd into the drawing, so the portion of the existing facilities that are to be removed can easily be identified. XR Enter to open the External Reference Manager. Pick the Attach icon. In the Drawing Reference folder, pick Road Concrete Improvement Drawing. Open. Scale, leave the scale as is. Do not specify on screen. Insertion point, do not specify on screen. It'd be inserted at 0, 0. OK. No need to reconcile layers. The road concrete improvements will later be detached. Pick the road concrete improvement to highlight and identify curbs, road pavement, and drives to be removed. Escape to remove highlight. Zoom in and pick object to be erased. To determine location of join line between proposed and existing. Draw a line or polyline on layer 1 along the join line. L Enter. Start the line command. Pick start point and pick end point. Escape to stop command. Zoom to another location. Enter. To restart the line command, pick the end point for the start and stop. Escape, enter, escape. Repeat at other locations. Enter, escape. Highlight the road concrete improvement. Draw a line at the end point of the curb improvements. L Enter to start line command. Pick start point. Pick end point. Escape to stop command. On side roads, draw a line at the end of the curb improvements. L Enter. Escape. Use the trim and erase commands to delete the portions of the existing facilities that are to be removed. TR Enter. Line Enter. TR Enter. Line and line Enter. Line Enter. Repeat for all objects to be removed. TR Enter. Enter. Line. Enter. Erase. E Enter. Enter. E Enter. Enter. E Enter. Repeat until all objects have been removed. Delete the edge of road pavement that is to be removed. TR Enter to start the trim command. zoom in to the join lines. Pick the join line on the primary road and each side road. After all have been picked, enter. Pick the lines to be trimmed. This is a gutter line which will remain and will not be trimmed. These curb and gutters will be trimmed. Line, line, polyline, line, polyline, polyline, polyline. Polyline, 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 polyline. Polyline, line, line, polyline, polyline, polyline. Pick the line, line. Line. Enter. Use erase command to delete portions of the edge of pavement that remains. Enter. Pick the edge of road pavement. Line, line, all existing edge of asphalt road pavement that will be removed has been deleted. Enter. Continue trimming and erasing all objects that will be removed as part of the demolition work. Erase trees that are to be removed as shown on the demolition drawing. Zoom to location of a tree. Enter. To start the erase command, pick the tree trunk. Enter. Enter to remove the name. Enter. Zoom to another location. Depress enter. To restart the erase command, pick the tree name. Enter. Repeat for all trees to be removed. To reduce clutter on the improvement drawings, freeze layer EX Topo tree foliage. LA enter to open layer manager. EX Topo tree foliage, freeze layer. Close layer manager. Detach concrete road improvements. In the external references, select road concrete improvement, right click, detach. Close layer manager. Save the drawing. Save. Existing topo drawing, save. Yes to replace. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.